WildBrain!
Miss me! Miss me again! Whoa! That's for throwing up in my hockey bag. Can't hit the evil cat! And that's for using my shoe as a litter box. How could you destroy my evil feline genius? And that's for deleting my favorite episode of Captain Blasteroid! Okay, Coop. Okay, you. That's not funny, picking on poor Mr. Cat. We're picking on a cardboard cutout of Mr. Cat. Millie, that mutant mole needs to know I'm fighting fire with fire. Actually, Coop, you're fighting fire with water balloons. Oh, that reminds me. I'm out of ammo.
What's that?
This? It's the H2O Abominator Special.
Gee, it looks so complicated.
Oh, no, it's not complicated at all. See, you pull the sling taut, and then you put the water balloon into the bowl and use the joystick to swing it around and change its trajectory.
What's this do?
It fires a balloon.
Oh.
Millie, don't touch that! Ew, that was close. Uh-oh. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no, oh, no!
Oh no, oh no, oh no!
Why, Colonel Carpet Steak, you're so light on your feet.
Oh no, 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 no! Run!
Like father, like son.
It was an accident, old lady Mrs. Munson. Coop's very, very sorry.
If that boy or anything belonging to him trespasses on my property, you will both be sorry!
I gotta get rid of that cat, Dennis, no matter what it takes. What was that? Cat. Right on schedule. Okay, let's review the plan. Tonight, we sleep in the tent alone. Cat won't be able to resist attacking. And that's a good thing? Are you kidding? It's great! Well, he's attacking our dummies. We'll bag him and trade him in for a nice, quiet puppy. Or a monkey. Yeah, there he is! We're surrounded! He's brought reinforcements! Scat! Scat! Hit the road, you overgrown squirrels! They're not so tough. Besides, we got enough candy and juice to keep us awake all night. Old lady, Mrs. Munson, what are you doing in my yard?
I was just going to ask you the same question.
But how did... Can I use your bathroom? Didn't think so. Bye, Coop!
And now to deal with you, Burtonburger. You little...
Ow!
Burtonburger! I want every single petunia replaced that your hooligan son trampled with his tent.
You gotta believe me, Dad. It was Millie's cat.
No excuses, Coop. You've got to stay away from old lady Munson.
Time for our tea party, Mr. Cat. Oopsie, out of tea. Be right back.
Mind you, when I was your age, I couldn't stay out of old lady Munson's hair either. I remember once I crashed my kite right through her kitchen window, and she came at me like...
No wonder you can't keep that boy under control. You're as big a juvenile delinquent as he is.
No wonder I still see her in my nightmares.
Don't you dare! Dennis! Psst. Dennis! Hey! Shh! I don't want anyone to recognize me. I got the catnip. You sure this stuff makes cats sleepy? Positive. It'll be lullaby by Kitty. Then we box him up and ship him off to Siberia.
Colonel Carpet Stink and I know the only way to deal with a bad apple is to crush it into applesauce.
Yeah, how nutritious. I think I've got it fixed, Mrs. Munson.
Then hurry up and bring it inside. Burger!
Okay, Dennis, hold this while I lay the bait. Wait, just to be sure. Okay, Dennis, drop it! Yes, it worked!
Hey, there's a warning label. Caution. Use sparingly. May cause erratic or violent behavior in some cats. What does erratic mean?
Not old Lady Munson's yard! You call that relaxed? Fall asleep! Come on, fall asleep, you freaked out cat! Get off me!
And try to keep that boy under control.
Mr. Cat! Poor kitty. Did my mean, nasty brother scare you?
Poor puppy. Did my mean, nasty neighbor scare you?
Oh. It's not fair!
Tell me about it. Why do I have to fix the bird bath you broke?
Mrs. Munson says to be sure to wash behind Tinkly Winkletoe's ears.
Fine.
And use a sponge. The scrubber chafes.
Why won't you believe me that Millie's cat did it?
You can't blame Millie's cat for everything, son. It's time you took responsibility.
You're right, Dad. I'll be right back.
Gotcha! Coop! Dad says you have to finish washing the gnomes.
We'll just see who's in old Lady Munson's yard now.
Mr. Cat! Daddy!
Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Not the gnomes! Got I caught 'em all! You lose this time, cat! Whoa!
Sebastian doesn't like being held upside down. That
coming, Mrs. Munson.
Both Burton Burgers!
Bye, Coop. One lump or two, Mr. Cat.
Looks like one lump to me.
Don't scratch there! Huh? That does it! Kids, it has come to my attention that Cat needs a proper bed of his own.
But why? He can sleep anywhere.
Oh, and he does. Probably sleep on a bed of nails.
Oh, one bed of nails coming right up.
I have something a little more practical in mind.
Ooh, a cat bed. Wait, Mr. Cat needs something soft to sleep on. Here you go, Mr. Cat. Ooh, he likes it, he likes it. He's so cute.
Where'd you get that blanket?
I found it in a shoebox on the top shelf at the back of your closet behind a sign that said, "Keep out, Millie. I'm serious."
Here's your bubba blanket. Nighty night, baby Coop.
Give me back my blanket!
Leave Mr. Cat alone! Let go!
Coop, I thought we put your baby blankie away the day you started kindergarten.
And I took it back the day after I started kindergarten. I get kind of stressed out.
You're too old for that thing. It's musty and... Hey, you! Better put this in the wash before the neighbors start complaining. Fishy frisky bits! Cats know what they want and know how to ask for it! What do you want?
I know. He just wants his blanket. See?
Glad that's over. Oh, what could he possibly want now?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cat. I forgot to fill your bowl.
Kitty treats? Yarn. Cats like yarn, don't they?
Catnip?
He stopped. Hello? Yes, I know. I'm sorry. 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 I know. I'm very sorry. This racket ends now. I went to the pet store and got that cat a new voice-activated collar.
Oh, this looks good. Tough love for tough toms. 9,000 volts of corrective discipline per charge. The cattle prod 9,000.
We want to correct Cat, not cook him. This is what we got. Mind your P's and Q's, corrective collar guides your pet with firm yet gentle suggestion. There. Now, we just put it on the cat setting.
Now, pussycat. That behavior is most inappropriate. Quiet, please. There's a good kitty.
Can't we get one that'll give him a good jolt, too? Just to be sure.
Proper pussycats speak only when spoken to. And stop repeating everything I say. No hissies.
You heard her. No hissies. There's a good kitty.
I said no hissies, you hooligan. Someone should wash your mouth out with soup. Unhand me, you ruffian. Ouch! Oh, oh. My buckle is kitty-proof. You leave me no alternative.
Hear that? You'll never get rid of that collar. Say bye-bye to Blanky.
Don't even think about it. Stop that! Stop it, I say! Ow! 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 I don't like the sound of that. Ouch!
Stop it, that tickles.
Snoring is a weakness in a growing boy.
What?
Coop, you're late for school.
Oh, man, I overslept.
Get a move on. Don't be late.
Huh?
Don't eat so fast. Chew every bite.
You say something? Millie, I said, did you say something? Yeah, did you?
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Okay.
Walk. Don't run.
Did you say something?
Why are you slouching? Sit up straight.
Huh?
Do you have something to say, Coop?
Well, answer the lady.
What? The collar! Shh, be quiet!
Maybe you should go to the principal's office.
Always listen to your teacher. Even when her incompetence forces her to pass the buck to a higher authority.
Quiet, class. One more word, young man, and you'll have a detention.
But...
No buts about it. You're in trouble now.
Okay, that's it. If you all think this is so funny, you can all have detention.
it wasn't me!
Now would be a good time to run.
You're not excused.
You certainly know how to make friends.
You! This is all because you took my blanket!
Well, go ahead. He's asking for it. It's a roundhouse right. Oh, and it's a punch to the solar plexus. And a karate kick to the shin. You two fight dirty. It's a battle for the ages, ladies and gentlemen.
Give me my blanket!
I'm free!
My Baba blankie!
What's going on out here?
Cat strapped his collar on me and Now everyone's after me and I can't get it. Off? It must have fallen off somewhere. I'll just go to my room because I'm grounded now, aren't I?
You think?
Here's your old collar, Mr. Cat. You don't have to listen to that nasty talking one anymore. No more constant nagging in your ear by some voice that goes on. And hey, you can sleep in my bed, and I'll tell you stories all night. And we'll have marshmallows and popcorn.
Phew, this is a fine place to leave an expensive collar lying around. Anybody could find me. Please refrain from chewing on the furniture.
He does do a lot of that.
And I would not scratch that. It might get infected.
Just what I always say.
And do stop that licking. It's most unsanitary.